Let's say a equals 3 and b equals 5. Then, to evaluate the variable expression a plus 2b, we simply replace the variables a and b with their known values. Instead of a, we have 3. And then we add to this 2b. But we know that b is 5, so 2b is 2 times 5. Then just do the math. This is 3 plus 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, so this is 3 plus 10, which is 13. In this example, x equals 2 and y equals 6. To evaluate this variable expression, just replace x and y with their known values, beginning with x times y. X is 2 and y is 6. Then we subtract x. Again, x is 2, so we subtract 2. Then we finish by adding 3y. Again, y is 6, so this is 3 times 6. Then just do the arithmetic. 2 times 6 is 12, minus 2, plus 3 times 6 is 18. Then 12 minus 2 is 10, so we have 10 plus 18, which gives us our answer 28.